Engulfing bullish. It looks like this. Engulfing bullish pattern is an extremely bullish pattern. Once you see this, bet your money on it. It consists of a small red body that is eaten by the next large candlestick, large green candlestick. When it appears on a downtrend, then it is considered to be a major reversal sign. Now, why am I saying that? Because basically what happens is the green candle opens lower and makes a lower low. Bad, bearish. But then someone, hedge fund or mutual fund or anyone, comes up and buys all the seller, and they buy it so much that they eat the previous day's fall completely. High, low, open, close, all eaten by this green candle. And its high is even higher than the previous high. And its close is even higher than the previous high of the red small candle. So basically, its bull run ends on the day, showing everyone that someone major just came in and brought bulls with him. Therefore, this is one of the most popular pattern in the hedge fund world or mutual fund or anywhere where they follow candlestick. Because through this pattern, they know that, okay, bulls are in control. Let's buy. And that's why engulfing bullish is your best friend. Now, I will show you your best friend on chart so that you can understand how to pick him up once he is on your chart. Engulfing bullish. Now in this pattern, what really happens is the price is falling. Okay, the trend is down. So on the last day, it opens at 29.53 and closes at 29.34. Not a major candle, but a normal candle. But the next day, it opens at 29.27 and suddenly zooms up and goes to 29.91. Now this green candle is usually so powerful that this red candle is submerged within this green candle. There is nothing extraordinary that goes out of this green candle. So basically this green candle is so powerful that it eats the high, low, close, open, everything of that red candle. And whenever you see this kind of a bullish thing on the low, then boom, it is a reversal. And after that, usually you see a rise up. And it's really powerful because usually in a downward trend, no one expects this kind of candle. And if it comes in with such a force, then there is something definitely in it. Because no one is so idiot to be buying so much shares right at the fall. So much stock, so much Forex pairs. No one will. And if someone is buying it, then there is some news that you don't know and he knows. Why on earth on a fall, he will be buying everything on the face of it. Everyone is selling and he's buying it. There is something definitely cooking, and that's what makes it a huge rise up. Thank you.